And remember, guys, I do this while working a full-time job as a truck driver. I always have, and you can do it too. That when I tell you you need to subscribe, this is why you need to subscribe, guys. This is the reason why, okay? Because things are happening and I want to share that with you. I want you along for the ride, and I keep bringing what's going on. What am I doing different? It is so important. Please do us a favor. Subscribe, like, share. You got people that are close to you that can really use this information. Even think about this, guys. Even if you don't want to do it, you know someone that could benefit for some free information. What do I mean when I say free information? What I'm saying is on this channel, we have over 500 videos that show step by step how to do it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, where would you go? For example, we got a video because we source at grocery outlet. Look at, we got video at Ollie's, right? Follow along, guys. You gotta get out there and look at the videos that are showing step by step. Look at Walmart. You know, where are we going to get this stuff? We got the videos, okay? Target. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, you got to take the steps. You got to really want to get to the bag. I can't make it. I don't know what else I can do. We gotta, if this isn't enough for you, listen, if you made it this far, if this isn't enough, then text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen. And as soon as I can get back to you, I promise, as soon as I get back with you, we can talk about anything you need. It doesn't cost you anything. This is what I'm doing for you. Guys, if that's not enough, sign up. Sign up right now. Look in the description and sign up for the Snackfood Symposium. I've doubled the revenue because people have to eat food. You're watching the news. You're watching the fear mongering that's going on about Elon Musk, about Donald Trump, about the cost of eggs, things like that. You're not going to worry about that because everybody's got to eat. Guys, we got to stop it. If you really want to get to the bag. Now, if you don't, that's fine. Share this video with somebody who does, but you've got to take the action. You got somebody trying to help you. Another way I do arbitrage is online arbitrage. But either way, whether you're doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, I use the software every single week without fail. I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. Oh my God, we're building out, and you can sign up now. The course is a free full course already out there, and we're just building out the modules. I didn't want to wait. I wanted you to get going right now. Guys, I want to grab you and I want to shake you because I want you to take action. I think I want it more than you, and that's okay. Sometimes you need somebody to shake you and tell you, listen, you can change your life, and you don't have to buy into none of the BS that you're hearing, where you got people trying to shame you for having a regular job. I got a job that's paying me 6 figures plus these numbers that I'm showing you. And don't worry about how much money I make. I'm going to teach you how to drive, and you don't know how to drive. Once you learn how to drive, don't you realize you can go to destinations that I've never gone to? Don't worry about where I'm going in my car. If you don't know how to drive, let me teach you. This is what I do, guys. You got to check out the information. You've got to sign up for the webinar. You've got to sign up for the free course. You've got to call me if you need me. You've got to go over these videos that I'm showing you that are already out there that are going to show you step by step. It's going to change your life, guys. I'm so excited, but I want you to get excited. We've been doing this since 2017. I want you to think about that. We started before the pandemic. We went through the pandemic. I've been selling online over 6 administrations, over at least six presidential terms. I'm telling you, you don't need to buy into any of this. Guys, you got to watch my videos. I'm not just talking. You've got to see where I was laid off. You got to see where I was 21 years with a company, and that company went out of business. 30,000 plus people laid off. What did I do? I leaned on my business that I have online. I've had my business completely tank You know what I did? I leaned on my regular job. You need multiple streams of income. You know that. Quit looking for easy. There's no such thing as easy. And the only people that's talking easy are the ones that are trying to sell you these multi-$1,000 courses and all this crap. There's nothing easy, and you know it. You don't get something for nothing. You know that. Whatever you get, you're going to work for. Some of y'all religious. You read it in the Bible. So you sow, so shall you reap. That's what it says, okay? Guys, we gotta leave a comment. Let's get going. We need you, okay? You're part of the working class hustler community. I'll see you in the next video.